Welcome to Yugo Memphis Southern Memphis, where comfort, convenience, and campus proximity all reside. Depending on which studio, ensuite, or 4-bedroom apartment you choose, you get a cozy bed, dedicated workspace, dishwasher for convenience, washer and dryer for laundry, and a patio to unwind on. Don't worry about water and high-speed internet. Your rent covers it all. Hit the gym for a good workout, then get productive in the community study spaces. When you're done hustling, kick back in the movie room. Enjoy a dip in the pool or take a walk in the park. And don't worry about laundry, facilities are available on site. This gated community also offers secure parking, 24-hour security plus hotline, and CCTV surveillance for your safety. The best part about moving in is that Christian Brothers University and University of Memphis are a quick drive away, so you're never late to class. Explore around and beyond the city with buses from Walker Avenue at Patterson Street and trains at Memphis Central Station. Book your stay at Yugo Memphis Southern via amberstudent.com.